Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we would like to show you 2003 New Holland 74C in good condition. Let's look at some of the features on this flex header. First off, this 74C is 30 feet wide, and it features header height control and hydraulic fore and aft reel adjustment. This header is compatible with New Holland CR940, CR960, and CR970 combines. Thank you for viewing this 2003 New Holland 74C. If you are interested in its flex header and would like to talk to our sales staff, give them a call at 877-886-7010. And don't forget to check out our website at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.